Deficits have appeared with the possibility of no delegates. The area is going standard in the business, as financial backers are currently assessing computerized resources in light of its TVL in DeFi, among different elements. Uniswap, a conspicuous digital money from this area, plans to bring more noteworthy decentralization. The convention's local resource UNI is under the dynamic thought of advertisers. Is it safe to say that you are thinking about putting resources into UNI yet are questionable about its future possibilities? Then, at that point, look no further as we decipher the conceivable value expectations of UNI for 2022 and the years to come. UNI value expectation for 2022. UNI cost made it to 2022 with a sticker price of $16.80, similarly as the computerized resource fired getting steam. It was moved to $14.49 by the 8th of January. While the numbers rose to $18.18 over the course of the week, the advantage was fleeting, as the value tumbled to $9.60 by the 24th of January. Subsequent to drifting nearer to its opposition level at $10.91 until the 19th of February, UNI saw its quarterly low of $7.48 on the 24th of February. Following its travel through the violent weeks, the altcoin shut its quarterly exchange at $12.37. Very much like some other cryptographic money and the more extensive market, the subsequent quarter has been fierce for the DeFi token. Subsequent to missing out more than 57% of benefits, in the subsequent quarter, the altcoin is buy and buy changing hands at $6.67. Uniswap crypto value expectation for Q3. In the event that it gets the barricade over the neck area free from $7.50, UNI could investigate more current levels in the second from last quarter. With more current clients, reception, and the incorporation of new high possible deficits, the altcoin could brush its likely high of $8.13. While the absence of invigorating impetuses and normal exchanges could restrict the cost to $7.10. All things considered, the bears could pull the cost to $6.13. UNI coin value expectation for Q4. The advanced resource could look for additional consideration from advertisers towards the year's last leg as it gives a simple method for trading coins. Thus, the yearly shutting pace of UNI could arrive at the possible high of $9.54. Customary exchanges could settle the cost at $8.34, yet assuming it neglects to support the force, the cost might tumble to $7.29. Uniswap value expectation for 2023. Assuming Uniswap builds up bullish speed from the levels of the earlier year, the cost could brush its possible high of $16.48. On the other side, assuming the bears offset the bulls, the cost could plunge to $8.61. All things considered, with just standard exchanges without bullish impetuses, the cost could settle at $11.87. UNI crypto value expectation for 2024. The year 2024 remaining parts basic for the crypto business, as it denotes the dividing of Bitcoin. The occasion holds the possibility to launch a bull season. In such a case, the cost of the altcoin could heighten to its expected high of $27.16. On the disadvantage, factors like administrative clampdown could torment the value down to $14.12. Progressively, the typical cost could happen at $19.93. Uniswap, UNI, value expectation for 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, Uniswap would be developing its client base, which would look for impulse as the convention makes liquidity. It could focus on fresher activities to improve the convention to make it more easy to use. All things considered, toward the finish of 2025, UNI could hit its likely high of $43.88. While standard trading tensions could restrict the cost to $31.21. Contrastingly, the cost could plunge to $23.11 assuming it neglects to meet the market assumptions. As indicated by computerized coin value, Uniswap's UNI cost could exchange at a greatest cost of around $9.45 toward the finish of 2022, while an inversion in patterns could sink the value down to $8.19. An equilibrium in trading tensions could land the price at $8.77. Further, the cost might exchange at around $16.50 in 2023. All things considered, toward the finish of 2025, the cost might hit highs at $28.95. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is a notable decentralized exchanging convention based on the Ethereum blockchain, which expects to work with the mechanized exchanging of DeFi tokens. The convention empowers clients to trade any ERC20 token, including the local ETH token. Without agents, anybody with an Ethereum address can add to the trade's liquidity and procure from it. UNI is the local badge of the Uniswap convention and qualifies its holders for administration privileges. This implies that UNI holders can decide on changes to the convention. The tokens were sent off in an airdrop to a huge number of clients in mid-September 2020. UNI value expectation. Forum Uniswap cost forecast. Explicit joint efforts and organizations could help the convention, subsequently moving the cost to $9.50 toward the finish of 2022. On the other side, the cost might drop to $7.30, on the off chance that UNI neglects to focus on specific turns of events. All things considered, we can anticipate normal degrees of $8.40 on the off chance that the advanced resource ceases from responding to advertised feelings. Verifiable market opinions. 2020. Uniswap entered the crypto market on the 17th of September with an exchanging cost of $2.94. However, the cost emphatically flooded to $6.96 2 days after the send-off, as it was recorded on a few trades. Surprisingly, UNI plunged to $3.98 by mid-September and figured out how to reach $5.02 toward September's end. UNI exchanged somewhere in the range of $2 and $3 for the rest of October. Then, at that point, amazingly, UNI dropped to $1.80 by early November because of gigantic selling pressure. The cost arrived at its obstruction level by mid-November and stayed at $3. Toward the finish of 2020, UNI was exchanging at $4.62. 2021. Uniswap advanced toward 2021 with an exchanging cost of $4.97. UNI hit $34.77 to enroll another unsurpassed high on the 7th of spring. However, the cost tumbled by practically half after the accident on the 19th of